Welcome. My name is Thomas. I'm here to share in this video how to prepare your own 1040 tax return. This is for the person who A, always had a desire to learn how to, but just haven't taken action yet. B, want to be able to save money on the process of going to a tax service or an individual year after year who's charging them anywhere from $400 to $700 a year to get that done. And C, being able to get it done in the comfort of your own home is what I bring to the table with this awesome course that's designed for you and only you. Because it's easy for me to teach you how to prepare your individual income tax return for yourself versus teaching you how to prepare tax returns for the masses. And so you might ask yourself, why would I pay you to help me learn how to prepare my own individual income tax return? And the reason may be a few things. A, you're not confident in your ability to understand and comprehend the information available that you need to know about when it comes to the different forms and schedules that you may have to fill out based on your individual situation. Two, you may not be able to comprehend and understand that even though you think you know how to fill out these tax returns uh, efficiently, that you may be making mistakes where you're not getting your full refund amount because you're not filling out the forms correctly. And so that can happen to people by getting a false positive, I call it, where it generates a refund, but it just doesn't generate the full refund. And we've seen that over and over again, year after year, where people either doing them themselves or they're going to other people who doing their taxes where they're not filling out the forms correctly and they're getting a false positive where they got a $4,000 refund when it should have been $6,000, so they missed $2,000 because they went to someone who didn't have the knowledge, the skills, and the training to be able to fill these forms out correctly and to catch those type of mistakes from not happening. And so that's the solution I bring to the table for you is that you got to leverage my 21 years of experience, 15 as a business owner, as someone who can make sure that your tax return is done accurately and professionally based on your individual situation, regardless of how simple or how complex it appears to be, is what I bring to the marketplace and I bring to you as a solution to not having to invest year after year your time to get to the place, the money they're gonna charge you in the process, and the inconvenience of just going out and setting a time and a date uh, to make it all happen, especially when you don't have to. So the 297 is what I'm charging, and I can knock $100 off that, but that's only until July 31st. After July 31st, it'll stay at 297 until I decide to take it off the market altogether. So if you're interested in learning how to prepare your own 1040 tax return based on your individual situation, reach out to me with a phone call, with an email, with a text. I'll follow back up with you with a phone call. We talk about it. We jump on a Zoom call, get a feel for one another. And if you're ready to take action, you make your payment. And from there, we set up a schedule on what day we're gonna get together each and every week, which will vary and which will be different because my schedule versus your schedule will be different. Well, the time we get together will probably be different each week. But as long as we get the 12 weeks out the way, which is gonna build a foundation for you to be able to prepare your individual income taxes in the first place, is the key to that. And then you're gonna have video trainers that's gonna be available to you that's gonna walk you through how to fill out the tax forms that's based on your situation only, where it's a no-brainer that when tax season comes, you'll have an accurate, professionally done tax return based on the training that I've given you. And as a bonus, I would even prepare your taxes for the next 3 years with the support I give you to make sure that they're done accurately, professionally, just in case you don't have the confidence in your ability to make it happen on your own. And so that's the biggest bonus I can offer you out of this course is that I will prepare your taxes for the next 3 years for a one-time fee of $297 if you take action before July 31st. After July 31st, that special bonus of having your taxes prepared for you for the next 3 years will be over with. So if you want to learn more about this awesome opportunity, reach out to me with my contact information. You can reach me at 773-782-1320. You can email me. You can text me from that number. The choice is yours on how you want to reach out to me and contact with me and talk with me. And from there, uh, If you're ready to take action, you're ready to make that investment, and you're ready to get together week after week after week to build a foundation for success and help you learn how to prepare your own 1040 tax return, then I'm here and ready to help you make that happen. And I'll see you in my next video.